Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Here, you can find collagen-boosting recipes and tips for radiant skin, hair, and nails. We're diving into collagen and its incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and nails. Today, we're sharing a special recipe that boosts collagen production and enhances your overall beauty from within. Collagen is a vital protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the elasticity and firmness of your skin. As we age, our body's natural collagen production decreases, leading to signs of aging such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and brittle nails. Incorporating collagen-boosting ingredients into your diet and skincare routine can help support your body's collagen production and achieve a youthful appearance. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of collagen for skin health and appearance and share tips and tricks to enhance collagen production naturally. From DIY recipes to lifestyle changes, we've covered everything you need to know about boosting collagen for radiant skin, luscious hair, and strong nails. Stay tuned to discover the transformative benefits of collagen and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The incredible recipe that increases collagen. Are you ready to supercharge your collagen production for youthful, glowing skin? Look no further than this fantastic collagen-boosting recipe to revolutionize your skincare routine. Let's dive into the ingredients and preparation methods to help you achieve that radiant complexion you've always dreamed of. Ingredients. 1. Wild-caught salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and promote collagen synthesis, leading to plump and firm skin. 2. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, blueberries protect the skin from free radical damage and support collagen production for a more youthful appearance. 3. Spinach. This leafy green contains vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis and skin repair. 4. Bone broth. A collagen-rich broth that provides the building blocks necessary for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. 5. Avocado. Full of healthy fats and vitamin E, avocado helps nourish the skin from within and improve collagen levels. Preparation method. 1. Start by grilling the wild-caught salmon until cooked through. 2. Combine blueberries, spinach, bone broth, and avocado until smooth in a blender. 3. Serve the grilled salmon with a generous dollop of the collagen-boosting smoothie on the side. Scientific evidence and testimonials have shown that these ingredients effectively enhance collagen levels in the skin. By incorporating this recipe into your diet regularly, you can support your body's natural collagen production and achieve a more youthful and radiant complexion. The best herb for returning collagen to the skin. One herb stands out for its remarkable collagen-restoring properties. Let's explore the top herb known for promoting collagen synthesis and enhancing skin health. Rosemary, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking and skincare, is a powerhouse ingredient for returning collagen to the skin. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation, which can degrade collagen over time. Additionally, rosemary contains rosmaric acid, a potent compound that stimulates collagen production and improves skin elasticity. To incorporate rosemary into your skincare routine for optimal collagen-boosting results, consider infusing it into your facial toner, moisturizer, or DIY face masks. You can also brew rosemary tea as a natural toner or facial steam to reap its skin-rejuvenating benefits. While rosemary is generally safe for topical use, some individuals may experience skin irritation or allergic reactions. It's essential to perform a patch test before using rosemary-infused products and consult a dermatologist if you have sensitive skin or any existing skin conditions. By incorporating rosemary mindfully into your skincare regimen, you can harness its collagen-restoring properties for a more youthful and radiant complexion. 5 vitamins to look younger instantly. Want to achieve a youthful glow instantly? Look no further than these 5 essential vitamins that work wonders for your skin's elasticity and collagen production. Let's delve into the role of each vitamin in promoting a more youthful appearance and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for anti-aging benefits. 1. Vitamin C. Known for its powerful antioxidant properties, vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, helping to improve skin firmness and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporate vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and leafy greens into your diet, or opt for a vitamin C serum for targeted skincare benefits. 2. Vitamin E. A potent antioxidant, vitamin E helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and UV damage, preserving collagen and elastin fibers for a smoother and more youthful complexion. Nourish your skin with vitamin E-rich foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocado, or use vitamin E oil for topical application. 3. Vitamin A. Also known as retinol, vitamin A promotes cell turnover and collagen production, improving skin texture and reducing signs of aging. For enhanced anti-aging effects, include vitamin A sources such as sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach in your meals, or incorporate a retinol-based serum into your skincare routine. 4. Vitamin B3, niacinamide. Vitamin B3 helps strengthen the skin's barrier function, reducing moisture loss and enhancing collagen production for plumper, more youthful-looking skin. Look for niacinamide in skincare products or consume niacinamide-rich foods like poultry, fish, and peanuts to support skin health from within. 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K reduces the appearance of dark circles and promotes skin healing, contributing to a more radiant and youthful complexion. Incorporate vitamin K sources such as leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts into your diet, or use a vitamin K cream for targeted under-eye care. To maximize the effectiveness of these vitamins for youthful skin,